One is first, it starts our song. Sing it loud and sing it strong. Two comes next, it's nice and neat. Count two shoes upon your feet. Three is here, it's oh so fun. Count three rays from the shining sun. Four is square, like windows wide. Count four wheels for a car to ride.
Five is fun, a starry sight. Count five fingers, left or right. Six rolls in, round like a ball. Count six flowers, standing tall. Seven's lucky, full of cheer. Count seven colors in the rainbow here. Eight is great, it twists and twirls. Count eight octopus arms that swirl. Nine is fine, so close to 10. Count nine ducks swimming in a pen. 10 is big, the final part. Count to 10 and make a start. Now you've learned, it's time to play. Count to 10 every day.